This is the restaurant, guys. Salty, crispy, juicy inside. It's so delicious. This is the restaurant, guys. Actually, these are two restaurants. And we're going down. They are here since 1977. And look at this cozy and beautiful restaurant. This is a chef, and he's so young here. Guys, this place is so cozy, and you can enjoy your meal in the peaceful place. Thank you, guys.
Bu değil. Bu ezme.
Kuzu eti mi?
Kuzu evet.
Wow, smells so good.
Güzel mi?
Salty, crispy, juicy inside, and so delicious. This is the chuban salad.
Çoban mı?
Çoban. And the other one is ezme. It's mixed tomato, biber.
Tamam mı? Tamam. Halletti.
Bu ezme, domates.
Adana kebap mı?
Ve o da su içi.
Kemerin ismi neydi Metin?
Sur abi.
Olmaz, bir ismi var.
Surdur abi.
Sur. Var, girişte de ismi yazılıyor, ben unuttum ismini. Yani sen bunu bilmiyor, var ismi.
And this is the Turkish ayran.
Arkanda. Bu sizin.
Evet, teşekkür ederim.
Thank you. Wow. Look at this. I'm so happy, guys. Thank you so much. I have I want. Teşekkür ederiz. Guys, I'm so happy. I can't talk anymore.
I can see from your face.
And look at this. This is a masterpiece.
You look starving.
Oh yeah. Wow, this is a skin, I think. Thank you. So good. But I must try like a pro. They put it in the this bread called pide, I think. And a little of this, and this is smells so good. I love it. There is fat and so crunchy or crispy. And thank you. Wow, look at this salad and lemon. I put some salad on it. Guys, cheers to you. Cheers. Guys, just come here. This is so delicious. I promise you, you'll love it. It's a little fatty, crispy, juicy. Everything you want from a meat, you can find in it. Thank you, guys.